The iPhone 16 Pro's manufacturing process is a marvel of modern engineering. From design to distribution, every step is meticulously planned. It starts with innovative design and prototyping, using cutting-edge materials. Components are sourced globally, ensuring top-notch quality and performance. Assembly lines are a symphony of precision, with robots and skilled hands working in harmony. Software and hardware are seamlessly integrated, ensuring a flawless user experience. Rigorous testing guarantees each device meets Apple's high standards. Finally, eco-friendly packaging and ethical practices underscore Apple's commitment to sustainability. The iPhone 16 Pro is not just a phone, it's a testament to innovation and excellence.